This is Harry Potter Hogwarts Castle, the baking pan from Williams Sonoma. It came out in 2024 and it depicts Hogwarts. Here's the Harry Potter logo. And I personally would never put this in the dishwasher. I really don't like the harsh dishwasher chemicals. I'm going to hand wash this with hot soap and water and dry it with the clean cloth, etc. So when you bake with this, you're going to want to oil it and flour it. I use a pastry brush to get into all the crevices. And then this would look really nice with a darker cake, like a gingerbread. Really dark colors are going to show up better because when you unmold the cake, you're going to dust it with powdered sugar. Or if you're really good at cake artistry, you can paint on it with edible glitter or just little frosting if you have the control with the pastry bag. I'm not very good at that, so I'm just going to dust this in powdered sugar. I'm glad I could give you a preview and show you how big it is, and it is going to make a pretty thin cake, just FYI. Thanks so much for watching.